I'm Jonathan with Starfire Direct, and today I want to show you how to install a Real Fyre G22-GL fireplace burner system. Now, this is a very popular system for people that are looking to install fireglass and have remote control functionality, meaning that you can light it using just a remote control. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Although our installation videos are intended to help our customers, it's always recommended that you hire a professional. These are gas appliances and must only be installed by professionals with fireplace-specific knowledge and experience. Start off by adding the small battery to the remote control. You can tell if the remote is working if you click it on and see the red light flash. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws on the side of the receiver box, which releases 2 brackets. Add the 4 AA batteries in the receiver and make sure it's turned to the remote setting. Add the 2 D batteries into the Spark power bank and reinstall the 2 brackets to secure it back into place. This is the perfect time to test the unit to make sure it's working properly. Using the remote, click the on button. You should hear a beep, and then the spark igniter on the burner pilot assembly should start sparking. If you see a spark, turn it off and proceed with the installation. If you don't hear a beep or see a spark, go back through and double check your batteries are installed properly, the receiver is on the remote setting, or you may possibly need to pair your remote. These troubleshooting tips are found in the owner's manual. Moving on, open your chimney flue and attach the included damper clamp. Tighten the bolt with a wrench. The damper clamp ensures there is always ventilation for the burner system. If your gas line has a cap on it, remove it and add a gas-approved pipe joint compound to the threads. Although it's not necessary, I like to install an elbow fitting and point the elbow towards the back of the fireplace for a tighter, cleaner installation. This elbow isn't included with the burner system, but can be purchased at your local hardware store if you choose to add one. Add more pipe joint compound to the male threads and add the adapter fitting to the elbow and the other adapter fitting to the gas inlet on the burner system. Make sure all fittings are super tight. Tighten the flex connector to the burner first, position the burner, then feed the flex connector over to the gas inlet and connect. It's important to remember to never use thread sealer on flare compression fittings. Set the tempered glass piece into the front groove of the burner. Then set the stainless steel cover over the front. Position the receiver cable off to the side. Remember, this can melt if too close to the fire. The manufacturer recommends that the receiver stays outside of the fireplace, but for this video, we're showing it inside next to the valve. It's always best to test the system before installing the fireglass. Make sure the gas line is turned back on, then turn the remote on. It should spark and ignite the pilot. Once the pilot lights, it will release gas to the main burner where the fireglass will eventually be. It's important to remember that there's air in the gas line since this is a fresh installation. It can take up to a few minutes for all of that air to purge out of the pilot. Be patient with this step. Turn the system on and off a few times to make sure everything is working properly. Finally, install your favorite Starfire glass color on top of the burner. You can also add fireglass to the front and sides, but take care not to completely bury the unit. There is ventilation that must remain exposed to help keep the controls cool. That's it! Now it's time to relax and set the mood with your new Real Fyre G22 fireglass burner from the comfort of your couch. Just point, click, and relax. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or call our sales team and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction. If this video was helpful, make sure to fire up the like button and subscribe to get updates on all of our new videos.